in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pause Windows updates on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for updates. Best result should come back with check for updates. Go ahead and select that. Versus pause updates underneath more options. Click the drop down and you can select how long of a duration you want to pause updates for. And when you want to resume it, you could just select resume updates or wait until the resumption period has begun. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.